Anisha, we've been seeing, of course, similar such legal fights. Whether you look at what's happening in Kashi, or for that matter, Gyanvapi, now over Mathura as well, it's a similar direction that this entire court case is going in.
Well, yes, Akshata, we are seeing this kind of demands being made in these Mandir Masjid disputes. We saw this, as you just said, in the Gyanvapi matter, which then went all the way up to the Supreme Court with regard to the investigation, and now there an ASI scientific survey has been ordered. In this particular case, in the Mathura matter, the issues are slightly different. Now, what is the issue in the Mathura case? The petitioner, the Hindu devotees have said that the Idgah mosque is constructed on the exact point where the jail cell existed, where Lord Krishna was born, and that jail cell has been a point of pilgrimage. That place has been a point of an old temple which existed, which was demolished sometime during the Mughal period when the Shahi Idgah mosque was constructed. But also, at the same time, as far as this case is concerned, there is also the dispute of a legal agreement between the mosque committee and the committee which used to administer the Krishna Janmabhoomi Temple. And that agreement, which was made in 1970s, has been also challenged by the Hindu devotees, saying that the temple trust which administered the Krishna Janmabhoomi Temple was in fact bypassed, and the agreement was made by fraud. And that is why at this moment what they want is that their legal battle is twofold. One, to prove what actually existed at that site, and two, to argue that this legal agreement that was made and had gotten the court's approval as well was in fact incorrectly done. Today's survey, the Advocate Commission survey, marks a very important point in this legal battle. Now, remember, the Masjid Committee has been opposing the survey on the very grounds of that, the same grounds as the Gyanvapi case, that the Places of Worship Act 1991 very clearly says that everything must remain frozen at the same as what it used to be on 15th of August 1947 as of midnight. But the Hindu devotees' argument is that the religious character of a place has to be determined on the basis of what it actually is. They say that you cannot have a valid mosque if there was a temple already existing at that point. Now, whether there was anything, what is actually there, what it was used for, when this mosque was built, what kind of symbols or icons, if any, exist at that point, is something that the survey will have to show. The other point, the other side of the argument, of course, from the Muslim side has been